Good morning, kindergarten, first grade. Today is Wednesday, April 8, 2020. It's a Super Science Wednesday! Digestive system. All right, friends. On the stand, you'll see the supplies you will need for today. You will need all of your digestive system papers. They came home to you. You'll need a scissor and your glue stick, and of course color crayons if you want to color your organs. Teacher's going to be reading this book to you a little bit later, but first I have some riddles. I'll let you see my face while I'm reading you these riddles. Hi. Okay, I'm going to read to you a riddle. I'm going to see if you know what organ I'm talking about. Okay? It has a beat that warms your feet, and an important part is your... I'll read it again. It has a beat that warms your feet. An important part is your... Did you say heart? You're right. I have another one. Exercise will give you strength to help you go the extra length. Build them with help you hustle. They are your own group of... I'll read it again. Exercise will give you strength to help you go the extra length. Building them will help you hustle. They are your own group of... Did you say muscle? You're right, muscles. The right foods will help them grow. Fruits and veggies, green and yellow. If you break one, you will moan. It's always best to protect your... Did you say bone? Or bones? Very good. All right. I'm going to read to you a little something about your stomach. Your stomach is one of the parts or organs that you have that helps you digest your food. Hi, I'm your stomach. After you chew your food well in your mouth, it's sent down to me. I mix it up with some stomach acid and make it a liquid your body can use as fuel or waste. When something doesn't want to work as a fuel, it might upset me, so you'd better watch out. I might send it back. What does it mean when it says, I might send it back? Have you ever thrown up before? Sometimes if your stomach doesn't like what you've eaten, or it feels sick already and you add food to it, it will throw it back up, won't it? And you'll throw up. Yeah, that's happened to me before. Has it happened to you? All right. I'm going to be reading from our Busy Body book. We've been reading a few pages at a time. I'm going to continue on. Today I'm going to be reading about the stomach and intestines. Okay, the stomach and intestines. First of all, your mouth grinds up the food and mixes it into saliva, with saliva. Then the food travels down your esophagus, that's your food tube, and it pushes the food down your food tube into your stomach. Your stomach churns food and mixes it with acid. Food becomes a thick liquid. Then it goes into your small intestines. Your small intestines absorb tiny food particles, through its spongy lining. Food enters the bloodstream. Then lastly, so that's the blue part, friends. Then it goes into your large intestine. Last. That's that green part. The large intestine absorbs water and leads unused food parts out of your body when you use the bathroom. So everything from your food that your body can use as energy, it absorbs through its small intestine into your bloodstream. It gets like fuel for your body. Everything it cannot use from your food gets pushed out through your large intestine, and that's when you poop. I know, everyone's going to giggle, I know. But that's God's way of saying, I've made you perfectly and wonderfully made. Everything that your body can use with your food, it will, and everything it cannot use, it will get rid of. Aren't we wonderfully made? All living things need water to survive. There is water in your muscles and all around your brain. It's the main ingredient to your saliva, sweat, urine, and blood. Because your blood is mostly water, it can easily flow in and out of your heart and through your vessels. The path it travels is called the bloodstream. So water is important for many reasons in helping our body work well. In fact, when you drink water, it's probably the easiest thing for your body to digest. It's easy for it to go right down and through all the way. It's almost like, think of it this way. No matter what food you eat, no matter what water or liquid you drink, your body has to work to digest it. Even if it's something healthy, it has to work to digest it. But water is that special thing, that special liquid. It's the only liquid your body does not have to work hard to digest. Think of water as something that actually cleans you out. Even when you eat an apple or broccoli, your body has to work and digest and take the good out and get rid of the bad. But with water, water is a liquid that cleans you out and gets all your systems ready to work well. They say if you drink enough water, all of the organs in your body tend to work better. You can digest easier. Your blood will flow better through your body. There is so many benefits to being well hydrated, which means drinking enough water. All right. The next book I'm going to read is called My Digestive System. An exciting way to learn about your body. What is your digestive system? When you eat, your food goes on a journey through your digestive system. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the phone off the stand so you can see the pages really good. Okay? All right, there we go. When you eat, your food goes on a journey through your digestive system. On the way, your body takes nutrients from the food. Then your body gets rid of the bits it can't use. Here you see mouth, esophagus, that's your food tube we call it, liver, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, and anus. That's your bottom or your butt. The journey is 21 feet long and takes about 2 days. The longest part of your digestive system is the small intestine. It's all curled up inside of you. Think of it like a ball of yarn, friends, or a ball of twine. If you pulled your small intestine straight, it would be so long. But it's all rolled up. Food. Food gives you energy you need to work and grow. It also helps you to keep warm and healthy. You need to eat something from each of these different food groups every day. We have our protein, our grains, our fruits and vegetables, and milk. Fruits and vegetables are full of vitamins and minerals that help to keep you healthy. They are full of fiber, the rough part of food, that helps your body to get rid of waste. Mouth. Your food begins its journey in your mouth. Seeing and smelling delicious food makes you want to eat. When you put food in your mouth, you taste its flavor with the tiny little taste buds on your tongue. There's a diagram. Tongue, mouth, and teeth. You chew your food into small pieces with your teeth. Your front teeth are for biting. Your back teeth are for chewing. Saliva helps to make your food slippery, so you can swallow it easily. Your tongue helps you to swallow your food. Esophagus. Can you say esophagus? When you swallow a mouthful of chewed up food, it goes down a tube called the esophagus. Your esophagus is next to your windpipe, which carries air to your lungs. So boys and girls, you have two pipes or two tubes coming down from your throat, a food tube and an air tube. One tube carries food to your stomach. One tube carries air to your lungs. A little flap over your windpipe stops food from going down it. Friends, have you ever chewed something and you swallowed it wrong and it made you choke and cough? Yeah, that little tiny flap over your windpipe probably didn't work well, and you got some food down into your windpipe. Boy, that doesn't feel good, does it? Makes you cough and choke. Your food doesn't slither straight down into your stomach. Muscles in your esophagus squeeze it down slowly. If you eat bad food, your body gets rid of it. Muscles squeeze the food back up again. And you are sick. That means you vomit. Stomach. Your esophagus pushes food into your stomach. Your stomach is a muscle. It is like a stretchy bag. It stretches when it's full of food. Food stays in your stomach for about 3 hours while it is digested. Digested means that it is mixed and mashed up. When your food has turned soft and runny like soup, it leaves your stomach, and you start to feel hungry again when your stomach is empty. From your stomach, friends, your food goes into your small intestine. That's all this tiny tube in the middle. Goes there first. Your food takes about 4 hours to ooze along your small intestine, where it becomes even more runny and watery. Bubbles of gas in your intestines make a rumbling sound while your food is being digested. Food is full of nutrients or goodness that your body needs to grow, to keep healthy, and to give you energy. While your food is in your small intestine, nutrients from your food go into your blood. Liver and blood. Blood full of nutrients from your food goes to your liver. Your liver is the biggest organ in your body. Your liver makes a special juice called bile. Can you say bile? Which breaks down food into things the body can use. It stores the nutrients and gets rid of the parts of food that are bad for you. When your liver has done its job, it sends nutrients into your blood through your blood vessels. Large intestine. This is the big food tube that goes all around your small intestine. This is the last part. When your food reaches the large intestine, it is mostly waste. Waste is the part of your food that your body doesn't need. It goes into the large intestine and stays there for about 2 days. By the time the remains of your food reach the end of your large intestine, it has become feces. Your body gets rid of feces through an opening called the anus. So feces is the correct word for poop, and anus, boys and girls, is the correct word for butt, or butthole, you could say. That's where your poop comes out. Healthy digestive system. There are lots of ways you can keep your digestive system healthy. Eat healthy food full of nutrients. Drink plenty of water. And eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Very good. My digestive system. So if you can see here on your papers, friends, now you're going to add some of these organs to your body model. So you should have your body model out. Here's your esophagus. This is your food tube. Be sure that when you cut this out, friends, you roll it and then you glue it into a tube. And I know here this is kind of confusing. You actually have 2 stomachs. Do you see that? You don't need 2. You're not a cow. Cows have multiple stomachs. You just need 1. I would suggest probably to take this one out and crumple it up and just use this smaller one since you are smaller kids anyway. You can glue the mouth part to that part of your face and then attach it to the esophagus if you want. You can color these too. From your stomach, then you would attach your large and small intestine. Okay? And all of these can be placed onto your body model. So color these, cut them out, and have mom and dad help you put them in the correct order. Have a great day, and I love you. Bye-bye.